Good evening or good morning, rather, folks. This is the sexiest man alive, Eli, once again. Today is Friday. Today is Friday, January 27th. Right now it's midnight over here. Okay, well, I just left work pretty much, and I'm not gonna go to sleep tonight. I'm gonna stay up all night because I have to be here by 7. So, what do you do? It was a rough night for me. All right, now to this situation. Now, there's like a whole bunch of trucks stuck out here for some reason. I'm trying to see what the hell's going on down here. Whoa. As you can see, there's some damage here. Cars are being parked like for example, this is straight down. That guy's just parked in the diagonal direction. I'm trying to see what's going on here. Why are all these trucks backed up? Ah, fucking assholes. What the fuck did they shovel this shit? Alright. Okay, this is pretty crazy. We got a combination of UPS trucks and Dwayne V trucks over here. There's a Dwayne V truck right there. This is UPS over here. That's what I'm trying to see. What the hell is going on down here? Alright, there's a Dwayne V truck right there. A whole bunch of UPSs over here. Oh, whoa. That's ice right there. Check that out. I would have busted my ass right there. What the fuck? I don't know why they didn't shovel this crap. Alright, there's the Dwayne V truck over here. Alright, I don't know what the hell caused this sign to fall down. Ah, I think I figured it out. Okay, there's Bay 21 and 22. Oh, mystery solved. Now, if you look at that truck right there, that's leading right into the RX department, the warehouse. Holy crap. Everywhere's been snowed in. Now, check this out over here. Now guys, this is what you get when you shovel a whole bunch of snow to a huge clump like this. And that's why over here it's not even shoveled. This is the 5th storm that hit us so far this winter, 2010, 2011. And this has been the 2nd major blizzard we have. It's crazy, yo. Some snow even got inside the driveway of the RX department. We're going to the street now. Well, that explains what the hell's going on over here, but what the heck is going on here? Well, then again, from what I was told earlier this morning, we did have a whole bunch of UPS. We did have a whole bunch of UPS orders. Alright, line seems to be moving again. Alright, so we did have a whole bunch of UPS orders going on in here, so that probably explains all the UPS trucks. Well, I gotta say, so this is what it's like working in the night shift. Wow. Okay, well, it's still pretty warm out here. I'd say temperature's about 32 degrees right now. 31, 32. Okay, this is not good. I'm about to get hit. I better run before I get hit. Holy crap. Ah, yes, there's an opening. Cool, I'm out of harm's way. Okay, well, as I said earlier, boy, check this out. See, I am glad I do not have a car. See, if I had a car, this will be hell for me. I got icy roads over here. I would have had a shovel. I love shoveling, don't get me wrong. I do love shoveling, but trying to dig my way out. Oh man. Now look at this over here. This whole area is covered in snow. That shit is crazy right here. I think they just shoveled that out. And right now we have a whole bunch of UPS trucks backed up and everything. Oh, señora. Recording this. Woo. Man, this is crazy. But see, the streets are actually shoveled. What I don't understand is why is it that the Q67 bus is still not running? Okay, right now that bus is not gonna be running, but damn. Yo, I gotta tell you, imagine this on the weekdays at like 3 o'clock in the afternoon or something like that. Oh man, how much delays that would have been, huh? Funny thing is, I've been down here at night many times and I never seen it this packed. Alright, yo, well, the storm has definitely moved out now. We got clear skies over here. And alright, I see we gotta clean up another mess that the Mother Nature has left us. Sexiest man alive, over and out.